Hey, Drew James here from LearnGuitarInLondon.com, and I'm playing Wildflower by Billie Eilish. We're going to need to get a capo, put it on fret 2 to play this really wonderful, delicate ballad. I've got a beginner's version way of showing it to you, as if you've come from the short video to this, I'll teach you how to do that, and the full version. Okay, so even the beginner's version doesn't have bar chords in, so you'll be good. Right, let's start learning it. The intro has 3 chords with your capo on fret 2, remember that. The first chord, if you know a C, then you're doing great, because all you've got to do is just take off that index finger of the C and you get a lovely chord called a C major 7. Relaxed, chilled out, contemplative, I can say that word, right? Really, really beautiful chord. If you don't know a C, then all you've got to do is hold down fret 2 on the D string and fret 3 on the A string and strum the bottom 5. The next chord, now I'm going to keep this beginner friendly at the beginning, and what we're doing is we're holding down fret 2 on the A string, fret 2 on the G string using the middle finger, and fret 2 on the thinner string. Now we're going to call that kind of B minor 7 with a star or an asterisk or something next to it. It's not technically a full B minor 7, but it gets the job done without doing the full bar chord. So you've got C major 7 to this B minor 7 asterisk. And the final chord that's needed is an E minor. Hold down fret 2 on the A and the D string and strum all 6. Okay. So there we go, that's our order of chords at the beginning, and with the easy rhythm with this, we've got 1, 2, 3, just down strums, 1, 2, 3 on the B minor asterisk, and 8 of the E minors, 1, 2, 3, and then when the singing starts, same order, things for B minor 7, and time breaks your E minor. Stay on E minor, there I go. C major 7, she was your B minor 7, showed her the E minor, you fell out of love and you both let go. Now you may have just seen there, when I did the ending on the both let go, there was just putting in that B minor 7 at the end. So I'm actually doing 6 E minors, 2 B minor 7s, 1, 2, then C major 7 again. And now we're getting into the pre-chorus, crying on your shoulder, and I'll take you through the chords. They're all chords you've done, all right, so nothing new, but you might just want to jot down the order of them. So we've just come back to both let go, C major 7, crying on your shoulder. So 4 of those, 4 B minor 7s. All I do is hold her, 4 E minors. Closer. Sorry, 8 of those. July, C major 7, da 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 da, B minor 7. You don't need to remind, E minor. Should put it all behind me, shouldn't I? Now there's a little pause there where you stop, so you do 5 strums, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shouldn't I? Then we're into our chorus, okay? Now in the chorus, we've got a couple of extra chords. One of those is a D chord. So that's fret 2 on the D string, fret 2 on the E string, and fret 3 on the B string. If you don't know the names of the strings, Eddie 8, Dynamite, Goodbye, Eddie, E, A, D, G, B, E. And if you strum the bottom 4 for that, that would be wonderful. From there, the other new chord, slightly more challenging one here. Now you can just do this chord again, the B minor 7 that I taught you earlier, but if you can also try this B7 chord, so fret 1 on the D string, fret 2 on the A string, and fret 2 also with the ring finger on the G string, and pinky finger on fret 2 on the thinner string. And you're strumming the bottom 5 strings for that. So 2 new chords, D and B7. And your chorus is 4 C major 7s, I see her, 4 Ds in the back of my mind, all the time, B7, 2 of those, 2 E minors and 2 Ds. So that order of chords is 4 C major 7s, 4 Ds, 4 B7s, 2 E minors and 2 Ds. So one more time with the second set of lyrics. Like a fever, D, like I'm burning alive, like inside. This time it's 4 B7s and 4 E minors. And then on the Did I Cross the Line, there's 4 of those. 4 Ds and then onto line. 4 C major 7s and then B minor 7 and then E minor. D, 4 of those. And then you're into another verse, okay? So that's kind of keeping it beginner friendly, keeping those down strums going. But what really brings the song to life is learning the full rhythm. So I'll take you through the full rhythm, what they're doing in the song now, and we'll get some arrows there for you to get you to play that. So coming back to the intro with our C major 7, the rhythm is this. So very chilled out. And that rhythm just slowly is down, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay? So slowly down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down. This is the E minor. Down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. So, a little slower still, just sticking with the one chord. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay? So if you've got that, then well done. We're moving from this chord to, rather than this, which I've given as the beginner's B minor 7, we're now going to do the full B minor 7, where you fret all of fret 2 with the index finger. You don't need to include the thickest string with this. And you put your middle finger on fret 3 on the B string and ring finger on fret 4 on the D string. Bring the thumb round, press as hard as you can, and this is what the chord should sound like. Okay, so press as hard as you can with that bar chord finger, and that's the new chord. So let's take it back to the beginning of the song. We've got down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Then E minor, down, up, down. And again, it's on E minor. And then coming through those verses again, it's all the same order. So C major 7, B minor 7, then falls real hard, E minor, stay on E minor, do that pattern twice. She was your B minor 7, you showed her the E minor, you fell out of love and you won't let go. So you just see that at the end there, we've got that B minor 7 just sneaking in. So coming into the rhythm pattern, we do the E minor, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Then we do 2 downs on the B minor and 2 downs on the B minor 7, so that we've got a half bar change there. So down, 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 down. Then back to your C major 7. Shoulder, B minor 7. All I do is E minor. It only made us closer till July. 2 B minor, E minors there. Then C major 7. Now I know you love her. B minor 7. You don't need to E minor. Do E minor. And then stop. So you're going to stop that E minor as you're about to do the second bar of it. So down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Stop. Shouldn't I? And then we're into the chorus, okay? Which is C major 7, a D chord, B7, then 2 E minors and 2 Ds. Repeat, E, C major 7, D, 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 then B7, then E minor, then D, did I cross the line? C C major 7, B minor 7, E minor, and then D. And then you're back into verse 2 from there, which is exactly the same. It just goes round and round and round. So that gives you all of the components that you need to play the song. If you get that rhythm guitar down, that really helps with making it sound like the song. Don't forget to play it quietly. It's a ballad, you know, don't sit there going, you know, so just chill it out. Maybe don't grip the plectrum so hard, or strum with your fingers if you like to do that, and just keep it nice and relaxed and nice and chilled out. And I really hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up. Keep on playing.